Hello students, welcome to our today's session. In our today's session, we are learning quick sort. So dear students, basically the quick sort is a fastest sorting algorithm which is used to sort a list of elements. So dear students, the basic concept behind quick sort is that we have to select an element from the given list and such element is known as pivot element. Then we are dividing our list by using divide and conquer strategy. So in this case our list is divided into two parts. All the elements in the first part is smaller than the pivot element and all the elements in the second part is greater than the pivot element. Okay, so dear students, this is the algorithm for quick sort. So what happen in case of quick sort, first of all you have to select the pivot point, then you have to set the left point and the right point, and after that you have to compare our pivot element. Okay, so dear students, first of all we are starting from left side. So whenever we are starting from left side, okay, we are comparing our value with pivot element and we have to find the value that is greater than the pivot element. If we are finding the value from left hand side that is greater than the pivot element, then we are stopping our low left point index, okay, or our low index. After that we are starting our scanning from right hand side and we are selecting the element that is lesser than the pivot element. Okay, if we are getting both the element, we are performing swapping. And in other cases, whenever our left and right point cross each other, then we are performing interchanging process where the low point is interchanged with the pivot element. How we can learn this concept with the help of an example. So dear students, in this example you can see we have unsorted array. Okay, so here we are considering a pivot element that is 32. Now you can see in third image of array, first of all we are starting to compare from left hand side. So our pivot element is 32 and we are starting comparison from left hand side. So dear students, whenever you are starting comparison from left hand side, you have to check the value greater than the pivot element. So in our first comparison you can find the value is 36 and our pivot element is 32. So here we are finding larger value than the pivot element, so we are stopping here. Now we are starting our scanning process from the right hand side. So dear students, here you can see in the right side we have 27 which is less than the 32. So here our second condition is satisfied. What is the first condition? First of all, you have to select the pivot point and start scanning from the left hand side, and during this scanning you have to find the larger element than the pivot element. So here larger element is 36, and in second step you are starting the scanning from the right hand side and you have to find out the element lesser than the pivot point. So you are also finding the element that is 27. Now we are performing the swapping process. So after swapping, in the fourth array you can see the 27 is swapped with 36 and their position is interchanged. Okay, so after this again we are starting our scanning. So dear students, now in this list we have 27. Okay, when now we are starting left scanning, we are finding 27 which is less than, we are moving to next location. In the next location we are finding 34 which is greater than the 32. Now we are stopping. Now we are starting our right scanning. So in our right scanning we have to find the lesser element. So you have 36 which is greater, you have 45 which is greater. Now you are finding 28 which is lesser than the pivot element whenever we are starting right scanning. So we are finding both point and we are performing swapping. So 28 is placed at the previous location of 34, and 34 is placed at the location of 28. So in the next step, again we are starting left scanning. So whenever we are starting left scanning, you have to check the element greater than the pivot point. So first of all 27, that is lesser than, moving to next element, that is 28, which is less than, then we are moving to 43. So dear students, the 43 is greater than the pivot element. Stop left scanning. Then we are starting our right scanning. Here we have to find element lesser than the pivot point. 36 is greater, move to right. 45 is greater, move to right. 34 is greater, move to right. Now we are finding that is 20. So 20 is less than the pivot point. So again we are starting swapping. So 43 placed at 20 and 20 placed at 43. So here you can see. Okay. Now dear students, you can see again in the next step we are starting our scanning. So here in the second image of array we are starting our left scanning, where we have to find the larger element. 27 is less than the pivot, 28 is less than, 20 is less than, then 11 is less than the pivot point, 15 is less than the pivot point. Now we are stopping at 43, which is larger than the pivot element. Okay, now dear student, we are starting our right scanning, where we have to find out the lesser element than the pivot point. So 36 is greater than, then 45 is greater than the pivot, 34 is greater than the pivot, 43 is greater than the pivot. Now we are finding 15. Okay, so 15 is less than the pivot. But dear students, in second step you can find out that during this scanning both our left and right pointer crossed each other. What happened? Left and right pointer crossed each other. In that case we are considering swapping of low point index with the pivot point. So here what happened? In fourth image we are swapping our low point index with the pivot element. So 32 is placed in the position of 43 and 43 is placed in the position of 32. Now dear students, you can see all the elements to the left of the pivot points are less than the pivot element, and all the elements to the right of the pivot elements are greater than the pivot element. So dear students, here we are performing sorting with the help of 32. Okay, here we are getting to sorted list. Now similar pattern is followed to sort the rest of the list, where first of all we have to consider another pivot point, sort the list, and finally we have getting our sorted list of array. So this is our quick sort. So what happen in quick sort? First of all you have to consider the index value. After considering this index value, you have to find out left and right pointer, and whenever, first of all you have to start scanning from left hand side. Whenever you are starting scanning from left hand side, you have to find out the larger element than the pivot point. If you find this element, then stop. And after this you have to start the scanning from the right hand side, and you have to find the lesser element than the pivot. Okay, if you find both the element, start swapping process. During this scanning, if both left or right pointer crossed each other, then we have to perform swapping of pivot element with the low point index or left point index pointer. And finally we have to follow these steps till our whole list is sorted. So dear students, this is our quick sort, okay, which we are using to sort the elements. So thank you for joining our today's session.